In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own clip-in extensions. You can add clips to any hair, any track hair. So that way, if you just have some hair around that you want to add clip-ins to, you don't have to buy new hair for this. This hair that I'm using is from my website, tttwigs.com. It's the Kinky Straight Bundle. And if you would like to purchase this hair with the clips already on it, you can order from my website, and the link will be posted down below. Now I'm just going to blow dry my hair out. I had let it air dry and wear it like this, but I'm going to prepare it so I can straighten it and measure the clip-ins to put in. It's easier to straighten your hair first, so that's what I'm going to do before I put all the hair in. I had already put some of the clip-ins in, so now that I'm closer to the top, I'm just going to show you how to get started. So all I'm doing right now is measuring around my head. I want this to come to ear. So I'm going to stop right before the front of my hairline. That way when you pull it back, you don't see the track. And then I'm going to just cut it where the hair is measured off at. And then I'm going to show you how I put the clips onto the hair. Here are the clips that I use. I got them from Amazon because they are a little more cheaper. I can link the link to where the clips are on Amazon. It came 50 to a pack. And I'm just going to sew them onto the bundles. The thread that I'm using is the thread that you would use for clothes. It's not the normal sewing thread that you would use for hair because it comes way thinner. So when you place it onto your tracks, you can't really see it in your hair. And I'm just going to stitch through the holes at the top about, usually I make about 10 stitches, meaning, or 10 knots, meaning as I'm taking the needle through, when I wrap it around the needle, that's making a knot. So I do this about 10 times, and then I'm going to go on the rest of the track and I'll show you where I add the other clips. So here's where I put the clips, one on the end, one on the opposite end, and then two in the middle. I don't use just one in the middle because it would make it too loose when you go to snap it in, and the track will hang. So as you can see, I've already put the 4 clips onto this track. And now I'm going to show you how to clip them in. The trick to getting these clips to stay tight in your hair and not slide is to hold the hair and then clamp it in. So as you're holding your own hair and you clamp it in, it will make it feel tight, and then when you pull on it, it won't slide down. So here is how the finished look. I'm about to go in and flat iron it a little more to make everything blend, but this is the 22 inch. You can see it falls down to my waist. All I used was one bundle of the Kinky Straight, so this was enough to do my full head and make it look fuller. And this is why I like using Kinky Straight, because it's already full, so you just need one to make it look even fuller. So this is the finished product. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. Oh, wait a minute. Let me show you the top of my head so you can see how the track looks in a ponytail. And you can see where I put the last track. Now these tracks don't, these clip-ins don't have to be really tight. Like you can have them a little away from your scalp and it will still look natural. But I'm going to show you how it looked, the last piece looked when I put it in, how far I had it away from my scalp. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comments and I will see you in the next video.